Hello, everyone. Welcome to Module 5 in the Ethics Around the Globe course. Our topic this week is pluralism and global economic justice. Let's review your assignments. First, you're being asked to read Chapter 21 in your Doing Ethics e-text. And there's an active discussion forum going on about living in a diverse world. The question is asking you whether pluralism or relativism will better help you live in a diverse society. You want to be sure to make your first post by Tuesday and your reply post by Saturday. We will be having our usual live lecture Thursday at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. The course project paper for Module 5 is asking you to prepare a brochure, giving you a chance to be creative. You'll be creating a 6-sided diversity fair brochure that explains pluralism, relativism, and absolutism. That assignment will be due Sunday, March 13th. Just a reminder, this term is coming to a close next week. The last day of the term is Friday, March 18th. Let's talk a little bit about ethical pluralism. When determining how to live a good life, there are many different perspectives you can take. When living in a diverse society, you have different ways of looking at other points of view. Pluralism is one approach to living in a diverse community and world. It presents a middle ground between relativism, which we talked about in Module 1. Relativism holds that there is no morally correct position, but that all perspectives are morally equal. That's on one end of the spectrum. On the other end of the spectrum is the absolute position, which holds that there's only one morally correct position on any given issue. Ethical pluralism is somewhere in between. It says that you can have at least 2 or more equally valid moral perspectives on any given issue. It's almost like saying we can agree to disagree and then we can still coexist and live in one society. An example would be something like looking at a terminally ill cancer patient. Should that patient continue to get chemotherapy? One person could say yes, one person could say no, and those could both be equally valid moral perspectives as long as you believe in pluralism. So you can see how that would allow diverse viewpoints to coexist. So again, in your Module 5 discussion forum, you want to consider whether pluralism or relativism better helps you live in a diverse world. Please be sure that you understand what those terms mean before you write your answer. So let's take a look at your written assignment for Module 5, which is a continuation of your course project paper that we started in Module 2. So you are back at the Diversity Job Fair and you are being asked to create a brochure that explains ethical diversity. So we're going to take a look at a sample brochure so that you'll understand how to create this document in Microsoft Word. It's a 2-sided tripartite design. So as you can see here, you'll need to create 3 columns in Microsoft Word. You'll need to define ethical diversity, define pluralism, give an example, use some clip art to make your brochure eye-catching. You'll need to define relativism, give an example, define moral absolutism, and give an example. Please do not discuss political absolutism or the divine right of kings. We are talking about a Kantian ethical view here. We are talking about moral absolutism, which holds that there's only one morally correct perspective and that morality is based on universal moral laws. You want to give an example of that. And finally, you want to include a list of resources to help people who are attending the diversity job fair get more information about pluralism and diversity. So this assignment will be due on Sunday. I look forward to seeing all of you Thursday in the live classroom at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm just an email away. Please feel free to reach out. Have a great week.